Welcome to Alice in Fashionland, where we traverse the wonderland of summer 2024 fashion trends. First on our list, the world of fashion takes a turn towards sustainability. Designers across the globe are championing upcycled materials and eco-friendly practices. This trend isn't merely a nod to aesthetics, it's a call to arms, a movement towards responsible choices that not only make us look good, but feel good about our contributions to the planet. As we transition from sustainable fashion, let's take a step back in time with our next trend. Vintage revival. This trend is all about embracing the old and making it new again. From high-waisted trousers to puff sleeves, fashion designers are bringing back styles from the 70s, 80s and 90s, but with a modern twist. Vintage revival isn't just about nostalgia, it's a statement about the timeless nature of good design and how what's old can be reinvented to be just as relevant today. So before you go shopping for that perfect peach piece, why not take a look in your parents' or even grandparents' wardrobe? You might just find a vintage gem that's back in style. Next, let the color peach whisper sweet nothings to your wardrobe. This subtle yet captivating hue has been making waves on the runway, presenting a softer alternative to the bold oranges and purples that have dominated previous seasons. Peach perfection is the go-to for those who appreciate pastel tones and seek to add a delicate touch of color to their summer outfits. But don't let the soft hues fool you. We're also seeing a resurgence of a classic duo, black and white. It's a game of chess with your wardrobe, as these timeless tones play off each other, creating striking contrasts and sleek silhouettes. And what's summer without a little romance? Floral Prince, with a special emphasis on roses, are blooming on everything from sundresses to beach bags. It's a trend that adds a touch of whimsy and femininity to any outfit. For those who love a little sparkle, the metallic shine trend is your ticket to glam. It's a nod to the future, a shimmering promise of nights spent dancing under the starlit sky. Meanwhile, the suited-up trend is redefining power dressing. It's all about tailored fits, sharp lines, and an air of effortless sophistication. So, go ahead, show them who's boss. Next, we shimmy our way to fringes. They swish, they sway, they add a playful twist to any outfit. From flapper-inspired dresses to fringed accessories, this trend is all about movement and fun. Then we have the sheer sensation trend. It's about playing with transparency, layering sheer fabrics to create depth and intrigue. It's daring, it's provocative, it's a trend for those who aren't afraid to show a little skin. Moving on to a trend that's as soothing as a summer breeze, we introduce the ethereal white. This trend is all about embracing the purity and simplicity of white in your summer wardrobe. The beauty of this trend is its versatility and the coolness it brings in the summer heat. It's pure, it's simple, it's a trend for those who love the minimalist aesthetic. So why not give it a try? You may find that this ethereal trend is just what your wardrobe needs this summer. And finally, a trend that's as enduring as the summer sun, denim. It's not going anywhere, folks. Whether it's a pair of high-waisted shorts or a button-down dress, denim continues to be a summer staple. As we wrap up our fashion journey today, remember this: stay creative, stay curious. Fashion is a form of self-expression. It's a language without words, a story told through fabrics, colors, and silhouettes. There are no rules, only possibilities. So, keep exploring, keep experimenting. Every season, every trend, every piece of clothing is an invitation to reinvent and rediscover yourself. And while trends may come and go, your personal style is eternal. So, keep that curiosity alive, because in the world of fashion, the adventure never ends.